Why you put makeup, bro?
Go to college. No, wash your face. Recently.
It's okay.
Moisturize.
Dirty.
Clean. Oh no.
If you clean, it's gonna be dry, right?
Really, really dry.
Yeah, true.
And my face is gonna be like floor.
Hi guys, I've been feeling under the weather for the past few days. Maybe because sunod-sunod yung schedule namin. Yan o, medyo ngongo pa ako magsalita. Sana pag nag-perform kami, okay yung boses ko. Kasi wala rin akong boses nung nagpa-practice kami. Kaya ayan, nakamask kami para hindi kami magkahawaan. Actually, nahawa ako na si Hinasan, but hopefully we'll be fine. What? Why? Flame, you forgot your phone. Where did you leave it?
On the corner.
A free iPhone. Ligaw kami. Ayan. Nanap na namin yung kasama namin. Slay. We were going to C9 when we were supposed to be in C1. Hello, why you shut me off? Is it because you don't love me anymore? I see. In Malaysia. In Malaysia. I don't feel well. Hinasan is sick too. Naliligaw kami. Kanina pa kami paikot-ikot. Din namin alam kung saan yung immigration. Nice to see you again. How many years? Oh, no. Quadrips visit, right? Yeah. Not too long.
Nice to see you again. I can't wait to see your performance.
Me too. I'm sure it's gonna be great. Let's go. Ew. Gum. How unfortunate. We're waiting for the bus. Yay. I'm hungry.
We already eat 2 plates.
But it's lunch already. That was like 7 a.m. What do you mean?
Hello! What's up?
Catch up na?
Ketchup.
Daijoubu.
Whole group.
Check, please.
I got my room. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the remaining time I have left, but I think let's see.
Energy drink. I want to.
We went to the convenience store and we bought some bread and cup noodles just in case I get hungry. And then some more bread. I think I want to eat this first. I want to try this cup noodles from Malaysia. Shoot a lot today with some members. I wasn't able to take a video. I'm gonna sleep with Fame tonight. Let's go. You know what? Me and Fame always get breakfast together. You did it?
Yes.
Hey!
Thomas.
Good morning. Here on the limb. Today I'll go eat breakfast with Fame. Gonna be having lunch with Devi-san, Cocoa, and Salwa. Parking?
What's my best? I see. Kakigori, you know?
No.
Kakigori.
Ah, yes, I know. Okay, now I know.
Maybe you don't know kakigori.
Yeah.
You know kakigori.
Yes. I don't know why Hina-san is always mean to me. No.
My side. A bit more up. Sit down. Don't sit. Yes.
Tomorrow's a big day. Not gonna lie, I'm very nervous for tomorrow. It's my first time performing in Malaysia. Also my very first time performing with AKB48, STU48, KLP48 especially, and JKT48. JKT48 I've performed already, but still, it's very different from before. And most of all, I'll be representing my home group. so I should really do well. And first time performing lipstick with quad lips. You probably know that already by now, because this is only gonna appear after the concert. So good luck. Let's go. Good night. Wait. Good night. And I figured what I need to do, so on stage later on maybe I can execute it better. All mic'd up and ready to go. We'll start at 4:30. Ne, hinasan. Jajang. You? I'm you. Hacha.
Fear alcohol.
No, moya moya kagite, taisetsu na mono ga mita nda. Today, oh my hair. Today is the last day here in Malaysia. We'll be flying back to Bangkok today. Sorry if the quality is kind of different because I'm charging my other phone, but I really had fun here, especially because we were able to dance together with the other sister groups. The fans were very supportive. I'm just so happy that I got to experience something like that. I've always dreamed of it, actually, to be part of, Asia Festival ever since I was a trainee, and now somehow I got to do it. Another tick on my checklist. But yeah, really grateful for this entire experience with Quad Lips and the girls too. Time to say goodbye to my hotel room. Baby,
You don't have like this one? Really?
Indonesia have it? Eh?
Yeah.
In Thailand now, it's so hot. pilot and greet him.